Today we will talk about the Neotonics with the best for you and your health. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Neotonics. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Neotonics. The first thing you need to know about Neotonics is, be careful about the website you will buy Neotonics, because Neotonics is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Neotonics and really works? And the answer is yes, Neotonics works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will Neotonics is the only formula that contains 500 million units of extra strong bacteria and 9 potent natural ingredients that target the root cause of skin aging, the gut microbiome. Inside every Neotonics gummy you'll find 100% natural and unique ingredients that are clinically proven to support a healthy and glowing skin and clockwork digestion: barbecue, inulin and dandelion, bacillus coagulans, fenugreek, lemon balm, organic Ceylon ginger, slippery elm bark, organic lion's mane, fennel. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Neotonics, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Neotonics, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Neotonics during your order today, is covered by our ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, all you need to do is contact us within the first 60 days of your purchase. Send us all the bottles, even the empty ones, and we'll still refund your money. And if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Neotonics, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Neotonics to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. We recommend you take 1 probiotic gummy per day for radiant skin and a perfectly smooth digestion. It's all you have to do to enjoy a toned figure from head to toe and glow with confidence. Or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people get better results after you can see the results in just 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Neotonics has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Neotonics, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Neotonics really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later. Access the link to the official website in the comments and in the video description.